So hello guys, this is part you are watching Sabulas. So in this video, I am going to tell the basic commands of call Linux. So watch this video till then. So let's get started.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
If you are new to my channel, then you should watch these 4 videos which I have created on my channel. So you can watch this video as I will provide the link of these videos in the description. So watch them also. So now we are learning some basic commands of call Linux. So by starting this video, I have written all the commands here, and this is the part 1 video. You can watch the part 2 video on my channel when I will upload this one after that. So you can see I have written the commands without wasting time, and now we will start from the first command. First of all, you have to open your terminal because we will practice this command on 10 minutes. You can see on the left side I am having my commands, and on the right side I am having my terminal. So starting from the first command is uname minus dash a. Uname space dash a. I will zoom in the terminal. Now the terminal is zoomed in. Now I am pressing enter because I have written command uname minus dash a. So by this command you can see the version of your Kali Linux, the built year, and which RT checked like into 86 and 64 bit, and this is a Debian 5.10.13 version and it's Kali. So by using this command we can know the version of the Kali. So moving to the next command, we have used this command in our previous videos as by checking our stable internet connection. This command is mainly used for checking the internet connection. So we will write this command ping, and we will write any website which is responsive now, which is online, because google.com is always online website, and this command will send some packets to google.com, and then the packets, if you are having stable internet connection, then the packets will bounce back to this host and we will get some data. By this we will know that our internet connection is stable. So by pressing enter, we can see some data are showing here and times are showing here. By this time we have seen that some packages are sent and some packages are received, and packages will run all the time, so we have to press Ctrl+Z. By this we can see that my internet connection is stable. You can also check your internet connection. So moving to the third command is cd. The full form of this command, change directory. This is the most useful command. Some of the command are very useful to use in your day-to-day life, for if you are hacking something. This command is used to change directory. In Windows we will change folders, but in Kali we have to change folders, or we will save folders as directory. In Kali we save folders as directory. So this command is used to change directory. If I am opening this folder, now you can see this folder is open, and I am having some folders. I will open downloads, or I can open music one. You can see I am changing my folders directory. So this thing we have done on terminal. We have to do this thing on terminal. So for doing this, we are having a command cd. It is the full form of this command is change directory. So we will write cd. As we are in root, we are having options of many. Now we are having options of going to many directories. So I will write desktop, as D is capital. You have to write correct spelling for that directory. I will write this one and press enter. You can see I am on desktop now. Now you can see I will write cd to going back to my previous directory. Now I write cd. You can see previously I was on root, then I had gone to desktop. Then now while writing cd only, I will move on root. So you can see root, desktop, root. So by this command is very useful to going many directory. Now moving to the fourth command. The fourth command is ls. This command is also very useful. By this command we can list. The full form of this command is list. So if we are here in root, we can write ls, and we can see there are many folders. There are only 8 folders. By this we can see now I am in root. I have written ls list. So by listing, these are the folders which are available on this root. if I will go to some folder like cd desktop, now I am in desktop. Now I will write ls, list, basic command of Kali Linux. You can see basic command of Kali Linux. This is the file which is available on my desktop. You can see basic commands of Kali Linux. This is the only file which is available. So by writing this command, we can see which are the files available on that directory. List command. Okay. Now I will move to the fifth command. pwd. The full form of this command is present working directory. By this command, we can see in which directory we are. If I will write pwd, then we can see we are in home, then Kali, root, then desktop in full. If I will go to the normal, now I am in root, I will write pwd. Now you can see I am home and Kali because I am in root. So by this command, we can see our present working directory. In simple words, we can see where we are now at present time. So this command is also useful to see, like if I am I'm doing some work and I am in some directory which is going deep and deep. I will write pwd and copy this thing, and I will go back and write this thing again. So by this thing, I will manage my time. This will take less time to do. So this command is also useful. And on the next command, we are having ifconfig. ifconfig. By this command, we can see the interfaces which are connected on the laptop or the PC. By clicking on this command, I will maximize this, and you can see that when I've written ifconfig, then Ethernet 0 is connected, which is Ethernet connection. If your desktop is there, then you can connect it to the Ethernet connection. And by scrolling down, we can see LO, LAN connection, and there are many connections. So by this command, we can see the interfaces properties, like Ethernet connection having many. These are the IP addresses. So if this command is not that useful, but while hacking Wi-Fi, you can see this command's useful. So moving to the next command, iwconfig. iwconfig. This command will help to list your. We are using previously ls to list our directories, but this command is useful to list our interface, Wi-Fi interface. While writing iwconfig, you can see I am having two interfaces: LO, which is not no wireless connection extension, which is not connected, and Ethernet 0, which is also not connected. While hacking, we are having another wireless adapter which will show you the WLAN 0, but I have not connected it yet. So you can see I am having only two internet interfaces. On the next command, we can see clear. This is the very basic command. You have to write only clear, and all the things on your terminal is cleared. If I will go cd ls, and now I will type clear, it will clear all the commands. It will clear your terminal. Okay. Now we will move to the next command. apt get install package name. So we have not used this command yet. So this command is used to install any packages. In Windows, we will install some screen recorders or many softwares by their GNU. Because they are having a proper interface, you will click on accept, enter, and at last we have to install them. But on Kali Linux, we can install manually and on terminals. So I will give you an example of this. We can write apt get install, and you can write any package name like GitHub. If I will write GitHub and press enter, then you can see it is not because it is asking are you root. So I have to write sudo su, because this command asks for your root. Now you can see I am in root. So now I can write apt get install GitHub and press enter. Now you can see that the package is downloading and it is unable to locate the package because this is the new version of Kali Linux and there are some bugs to install Kali Linux. So some problem is there, but I will tell you some another software apt-get install Terminator. By pressing enter, you can see this is available. When I will written this command apt-get install Terminator, I am having reading package is done, building dependency. It is checking that this package is available or not. So you can see Python 3 pistol, and now it is asking you have to install or not, because it will take 3 MB additional disk space. So I will write Y, and you can see connecting to database and it installing. Very basic commands are there. In the next video, we will talk about some professional commands which are not that necessary, but we will understand them also. On the next, we are having apt-get update. As we have already used this command apt-get update and apt-get upgrade in the previous video, as we are having our Kali Linux brand new and we have to upgrade them as to increase their performance. We have written apt-get update and apt-get upgrade. These Y is only there to allow all things. When we will upgrade, it will ask yes. You have to write Y. But if you write this Y like -Y, then it will not ask any permission, not ask any for yes. It will automatically upgrade your Kali Linux. Now these two commands are already used. Now I will not use that command. You can watch my previous video for these two commands. And moving to the last two commands for this video, we are having --help, any tool name. If you are having like I will write here Ctrl+Z for sitting time. So you can see any tool name, like in hacking we are having here crackng, here crackng -help. So you can see, we can see what we can do with this command. Many yes, you can see here crackng help. By writing, you can see that this command is created by this one and last edited by this. The website is this. Usage, what are the usage, the common options, common uses. We will talk about this in our other videos. And you can see many. By this --h, you can see learn about that too. Moving to the next command, we are having last command locate any tool name. So by this command locate air crackng, by this command we can see where this air crackng software is located. You can see locate air crackng. So there are many there are many directories where some parts of air crackng is located. First of all, user include air crackng. So you can see there are many directories where some parts of air crackng are. So this is the last command of our video, and thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then hit the subscribe button and click on the like button and share this video as much as you can. Thanks for watching.
Every single